Alright, in this course, all the source code examples are tracked inside of GitHub. Now I get a lot of different skill levels who are taking this course. My students are from a variety of different backgrounds. Some of you are just starting your programming careers, while others of you are experienced developers and developing or expanding out on your skills. Now if you're experienced with Git and GitHub and you're comfortable using these tools, go ahead and skip this video. This is going to be redundant for you if you already know this. However, if you are not comfortable using GitHub, go ahead and please continue with this video. There's a lot of great information in it. So GitHub is a website built around the source control software Git. Git is software which allows for the incremental tracking of changes made to source code. Git is formally defined as a distributed version control system. Now, as you work through this course, I feel it is important for you to have accurate and complete source code examples to work from. And this is exactly why I'm using GitHub. In this course, you will have complete access to working source code examples. But GitHub is more than just source control. GitHub has a lot of social aspects. These aspects allow developers to easily collaborate together. The same aspects makes GitHub highly popular for use on open source development teams. For example, all Spring Framework projects are tracked inside of GitHub. You can head over to GitHub for the Spring Framework source code and see exactly how the team is using it to manage a large-scale project with hundreds of developers from all over the world. So it's important for you to be proficient in using GitHub. Now I want to point out that GitHub is completely free to use. The Git client is completely free, so there's no cost involved for you. To help you get up to speed on using GitHub, I'm going to share several resources with you. You can find these links in the course resources. And these links are videos created by the company behind GitHub. The first is a short video called What is GitHub? This video explains to you the concepts behind GitHubs and how it's used for social coding. These are the aspects that make it so popular with large development teams. These features are important because I will be using GitHub in the course to share source examples with you, and we can leverage these social features to help support you in this course. For example, let's say you have a problem you can't resolve. I may ask you to share your project with me on GitHub. Then I will go in and fork your project to my repository on GitHub. This allows me to download the code from my repository to my machine. Now I'll get your entire project, just not some code snippets, so I can see exactly what you're seeing. Then I can run the code, I'll find the problem, fix it, I can bring it up in the debugger or whatever. Then I'll check in my changes of the fork that I created from your project, and then using GitHub I will send you a pull request with an explanation of what I fixed. You can then merge in that pull request to your Git repository and see exactly what I changed. Now this is really important because you get full visibility of the changes that I made to your code to fix it. The next link I'm going to share with you in the course resources is a playlist on YouTube. This playlist is a series of videos also produced by the people at GitHub, and it's going to walk you through different features inside of Git and GitHub of how to check out the code and check it back in. There's a lot of great information in these videos, so even if you're not familiar with using Git, or if you're just somewhat new to Git and don't fully know it, I highly suggest you take the time to watch these videos because there's a lot of really great information in these videos, and it's going to help you expand your knowledge of this very important tool that's used by developers all over the world called Git and GitHub.